My favorite thing about my role here at Enginetech is my autonomy. I'm able to work without too much interference or supervision, and I get to do whatever my passions lead me to here. My passions for engines comes from whenever I was younger, and my family and I used to actually rebuild engines, and we had a lot of fun doing it. It was mostly for pickups and that nature, old 61 Ford pickup type stuff, but I really did it because it was just nice to get your hands on things. The one thing I would like people to know about Enginetech is the employees here. They are all very committed to the success of the company and the success of the customers. Also, they're just genuinely kind people, and I enjoy being around them.